Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to APSAC's online support program. I'm Zunaira Javed from Army Public Schools and Colleges Rahim Yar Khan Kent. Today we have mathematics class for grade 2. Our today's lesson is comparing and ordering fraction. Resources required for today's lesson are textbook and practice workbook. Summary of the lesson is students will be able to understand how to make whole fraction and how to compare a fraction. First of all, let's do revision of our previous lecture. In our previous lecture, we learned about fraction, numerator and denominator. In fraction, we divide an object into equal parts and the upper value of the fraction is called numerator and the lower value is called denominator. Objectives: students will be able to make whole fractions by adding remaining parts and compare fractions with same denominators. Topic introduction. What is ordering fractions? Ordering fraction simply means arranging fraction either from the smallest to the largest, which is called ascending order, or from largest to smallest, which is called descending order. Making of whole number. Look at the circle. Circle is divided into 4 equal parts. 3 parts are pink and 1 is yellow. It means 1 is missing. So 3 by 4 plus dash is equals to 1. We have to add 1 by 4 to make a whole circle or a whole number. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 1. Similarly, the circle is divided into 5 equal parts, among which 4 are green and 1 is grey, which is missing. So 4 by 5 plus dash is equals to 1. So we have to add the remaining part, which is 1 by 5. 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is equals to 1. Question number 1. The pizza is divided into 3 equal parts. So 3 by 3 makes a whole number. So how we can read it? We can read it like 3/3. Similarly, if the pizza is divided into 4 parts, then we will read it as 4 quarters. Question number 2. The figure is divided into 6 equal parts. So 6 by 6 is one whole number and we will read it as 6/6. So dash 6 make whole. How many 6 will make whole number? 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. Similarly, 6/6 make whole number. Question number 3. How many 8s make one whole number? Orange part is 3 by 8 and the yellow part is 5 by 8. So 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8 will make one whole number. So add 5 plus 3, which is 8. So 8 by 8 will make one whole number. Practice questions. Look at the first circle. Circle is divided into 3 equal parts. 2 parts are present, which represents 2 by 3 and 1 part is missing. So write 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 will make one whole number 1. Similarly, solve B and C part. Match the fraction to make one whole. Look at the first circle. Circle is divided into 3 equal parts. 1 part is colored and 2 parts are non-colored. So now look at in the second line, which circle represent 1 uncolored part and 2 colored parts? Yes, third circle. Match it with the third circle. Similarly, solve the remaining parts. Comparing and ordering numbers. Next topic is comparing and ordering numbers with same denominators. For example, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Look at the denominators. Both numbers has same denominator, which is 4. So you just have to compare the upper value. If the numerator is greater, the fraction is greater. And if the numerator is small, fraction is small. Look at the kites. Both kites are divided into 4 equal parts. First kite is showing 2 by 4 fraction, which means 2 parts are colored And in second kite, three parts are colored, so 3 by 4 is the fraction. So which fraction is showing more colored part? Obviously 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4. When two or more fractions have same denominators, we compare the numbers in numerator. Greater the numerator, greater the fraction, and smaller the numerator, smaller will be the fraction. Question number 1 is, for example, this is the picture of a pizza. Pizza is divided into 5 equal parts. Sam ate 2 by 5 of the pizza and Farhan ate 4 by 5 of the pizza. So you have to compare 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. Who ate more parts of the pizza? Yes, Farhan. Farhan eats more than Sam. Arrange the fractions in order. Start with the greatest. You have to arrange from greatest to the smallest, which means descending order. Numbers are 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 4 by 7. As you can see, denominators are same. So you just have to compare the numerators. Which one is the greatest number among 3, 2 and 4? Yes, 4. 4 by 7 is the greatest. Then 3 by 7 and at last 2 by 7. Similarly, solve question number 3 and write it from smallest to greatest. Homework. Solve practice workbook pages 187 to 189. From page number 190, solve the questions only with the same denominator. And from page number 191 to 192, question number 4, 5, 6, A part only. Follow these guidelines while doing your homework. Thank you.